Hello guys, this is Ijoma eBay official. I hope you're all doing great. And today we are going into butcher room to go buy some meat. Cold room to go buy meat. So we are inside now. This is where they sell meat in a wholesale, in a large quantity. When I said cold room, it's a cold room, freezer room. Anytime you're coming here, you have to be prepared, wear your jacket. Because if you come here without jacket, it's gonna be frozen. As you can see, people walking here, see the type of clothes they are wearing. Heavy clothes. Some people that don't have jackets, see the way they are folding their hands. They feeling cold already. So you have to select the meat you want. After select it, the meat you want, so they have to weigh it on a scale. Then if you want them to cut it for you, they cut it for you in a small piece. As you can see the way they are. So it's easier for me the way I'm packing it like this in one bag. It's easier for me when I want to cook, so I can select one bag, bring one bag out and use it for cooking until the meat is finished. It's not easy to pack this, it's a lot of hard work. Packing this in a small bag like this, it's a whole lot of job, a whole lot of work to do. Alright guys, see, I can now put it inside the freezer. As you can see, my freezer is full. Alright guys, see you guys on my next video. Bye.